Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another video. We hopping right into episode 8 of the Summer Shred series. You guys already know. Feeling really good lately, honestly. Like you can see, like I have a lot of energy. And usually when you cut, it's the opposite. You feel like shit. But we're not very deep into the cut yet, so those days are not here yet. But I've been feeling really good. I cycled off of caffeine a couple days ago. I came off of caffeine for like 3-4 days. Hopped back on it, and now I've been only taking in 200 milligrams a day. I drink decaf coffee all day, no caffeine throughout the day, and then pre-workout I'll have 200 milligrams, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you deprive yourself of it for so long and then you take just 200 milligrams, it's very intense. Not intense, but you feel it a lot better. So I highly recommend anyone out there who's struggling with feeling the caffeine, or they don't feel their pre-workout anymore, cycle off of caffeine for a couple days, a week, whatever, and then get back on it. But what we got planned today is a chest and arms workout. Yes, I know my last video was chest and arms, but those are the two body parts I'm trying to bring up, so you guys gonna see how I bring them up. But yo, if you're here right now watching, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, because a high percentage of you guys aren't subscribed that are watching. So yo, hit the sub button for your boy. We're gonna hop into a physique update, and yeah, please. Looking pretty solid, honestly. But I woke up this morning at like 158.4, I think. My weight has been like going up and like fluctuating a lot. Like as you guys know, in my last video I was weighing like 157.8. My weight has been like going up and hasn't really been dropping, but I feel leaner. So it's like, I always stress like how you should be taking progress pictures, and you really should be, because I'm literally getting leaner and my weight isn't going down, it's going up. So it's like, so you need to take progress pictures, alright? But yo, I'm gonna see you guys at lunch, alright? Peace! Yo, we're back. So, it's like 10:45. Not really lunchtime yet, but I was getting a little bit hungry. So, we got a giant thing of Jell-O. Now, this is lime flavored. Just thought I would try it. And I don't recommend it at all. It's not very good, to be honest, but it is very filling, and it will keep me over until lunchtime. So yeah, this is like 80 calories for this whole thing, which is insane. But I thought I would just show you guys a little diet hack. Sugar-free Jell-O, such a diet hack. Should definitely use it. But yeah, we'll see you guys at lunch. Peace! We are back for lunch. You guys already know our cream of wheat brownie, so gas, and then we got tilapia and spinach, and then I'm gonna put some teriyaki sauce in it, because this shit is different. That's our lunch. I think it's around like 420 calories or something like that. I don't know exactly, but I've been eating around like the same exact thing every day. Like I've had this lunch like every day for like a while now. Shoo! That shit hit. Salad and brownie. Standard lunch. See you guys in the pre-worky meal. and then we go smash some chest and arms. So let's get it. Hey! We got the pre-worky. Pre-worky, we got 2 tilapia fillets. I think it's like 200 calories. And popcorn. Big ass bowl of popcorn. You already know. That's like the standard pre-worky meal. But I'm about to get this down. And then we're gonna smash some chest and arms. Hey yo, let the hard style begin. And we're back from the gym. Camera's about to die, but post-workout meal, we got apple cinnamon, tilapia and spinach, and our Greek yogurt PB Fit dip. This is gonna go down, but I'm gonna charge my camera real quick and I'll be right back. Peace. Alright, we back, showered up. Check out the chest striations. We're getting shredded, bro. Like, I feel leaner and leaner every day. Summer shred is going well. And if anyone out there is trying to get shredded and they need help, I do offer coaching. I'm sure you guys know this already. I say it in like every video. But I do one-on-one coaching. And I'll get you shredded. Let me tell you that, alright? That is linked in the description. Go check that out. But yo, that's gonna do it for the video. About to eat my pre-bed meal. Little baked oats recipe. Gonna be in the cookbook. Been working on the cookbook all day, honestly. Coming together pretty well. Should be out fairly soon if I use my spring break wisely. Should be out soon, so be on the lookout for that. Like I said, coaching and programs in the description. Bulk supplements, bro. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you. Look at this thing. This is creatine monohydrate. $20 for 2 pounds. Like, come on. And then you'd be supporting me getting this. So I appreciate that. That link is in the description to go get bulk supplements, creatine monohydrate, or any other supplements. I make my own pre-workout. I buy all the ingredients in bulk to make my own pre-workout. But a lot of people need creatine. And if you're running out of creatine, you're not gonna run out if you have 2 pounds of it for $20. People are trying to sell like a tub this big for like $50. Like, they're scamming you. Unflavored bulk supplements, literally the cheapest thing ever, and it's quality. I had it on earlier, but you guys already know Fitletics is the best clothing in the game. The new drop is fire. The joggers, I'm still waiting on my joggers to come in, but they look so fire. That link is in the description. All the links are in the description. You guys already know. Check me out. Support your boy. If you guys are finding value in my videos and you want to support me, buying anything with my links will support me, or buying my coaching. Appreciate you watching the video. If you watched this far, please comment. You're a king. Comment, "You're a king," if you watch this far. But yo,